Okay, baby.
What you got for the small one? This?
Sagir.
Huh?
Sagir, what is?
Yes, again, my friend. How are you?
I'm good, man.
This is Susinet. Susinet. See this the fish. See the fish. Small. Small one. Huh?
Sagir.
Small.
Yeah.
This is small. We're from Philippines.
Ayaw mo rin.
Where?
Philippines. Davao.
Oh, the falls. Nice.
Diba? Sawa-sawa president. Same place president.
Yeah. You see Mr. Tarek here?
No. Maybe I see, but I don't know the name.
Yeah.
Every time he go fishing here?
Yeah. Davao. He's from Davao. Okay, أخويا.
Okay,
Take care, ha?
Shukran mo din. Take care. Thank you. Pang-apat na po ito. Kaso maliliit. Yung tatlo, binalik ko kanina. Hindi ko muna ibabalik to. Baka magkampo. Hindi na tayo makahuli. Okay guys. Ito muna.